2010's the gift, so you know I had to wrap it up. Lost ended, a couple people cried, and WikiLeaks cause a couple people died. And South Africa hosted the World Cup, and Russell Brand wiped the California girl up. Yup, Katy Perry showed her fireworks to Elmo, and Taylor Swift saw her album sales explode. When oil spills, don't trust BP. And 2010 was the rise of 3D, New York's heat wave, I hope y'all remember. And the lunar eclipse in the middle of December, man. Stories of survival like the Chilean miners, the Winter Olympics where they hosted the finest athletes. And I tried to get cheats for that Red Dead Redemption and that Black Ops release. And Brett Favre thought he got off scot-free till everybody in his business like confessions with the priest. And Bristol beat Brandy, they say she outdanced her, but I say she got help from Sarah Palin's Alaska. Harry Potter blew up, and so did Twilight. Inception was exceptional, but Tron took the spotlight. Alicia having a baby, Mariah having a baby, TikTok copped the #1 spot, and that's crazy. Sex in the City, yeah, they had to get the sequel up. Climbing in your windows and snatching your people up. Sex scandal, everybody acting up. Wedding vows, everybody shacking up. We ain't backing up, nah, we ain't backing up. 2010's the gift, so you know I had to wrap it up. Sex scandal, everybody acting up. Wedding vows, everybody shacking up. We ain't backing up, nah, we ain't backing up. 2010's the gift, so you know I had to wrap it up. Happy New Year. Set your goals high, man. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't be what you want to be. Happy New Year. Be safe. Don't do nothing crazy. I will, but you don't.